Imagine a substance so powerful that just 200 grams of it could perform the work of a fully grown tree in absorbing carbon dioxide. It might sound like science fiction, but this groundbreaking material, known as COF 999, is a reality. Developed by scientists at the University of California, Berkeley, COF 999 could redefine how we combat climate change. The role of nature in CO2 absorption. Plants have long been the planet's natural defense against carbon dioxide. Through photosynthesis, they absorb CO2, a major greenhouse gas, and release oxygen. However, rising CO2 levels are overwhelming this natural system. This has led scientists to seek innovative solutions to not only capture CO2 more efficiently but also prevent it from entering the atmosphere. This is where COF 999 steps in, offering a revolutionary alternative to the work of trees. Remarkably, just 200 grams of this material can absorb as much CO2 annually as an average tree. What makes COF 999 unique? Most discussions about CO2 capturing materials have centered on metal organic frameworks, MOFs. COF 999, however, represents a significant advancement. It is highly stable due to its structure, which features carbon-carbon and carbon-nitrogen double bonds. Additionally, the material contains amines, which are highly effective at binding to CO2 molecules. In tests, scientists passed air containing CO2 through a sample of COF 999. The results were astonishing. The air exiting the system was completely free of CO2. This demonstrates COF 999's potential to revolutionize carbon capture technology. Efficiency and practical application. COF 999's capabilities are not just impressive in theory, they hold real-world promise. High efficiency, a mere 200 grams can absorb 20 kilograms of CO2 per year, equivalent to the output absorbed by a single tree. Fast absorption. Under standard conditions, COF 999 reaches half its capacity in just 18 minutes and its full capacity in 2 hours. Reusability. By heating the material to 60 degrees Celsius, the absorbed CO2 can be released, allowing COF 999 to be reused up to 100 times. This combination of efficiency, speed, and durability makes it a practical solution for large-scale adoption. The future of COF 999. Scientists are now working on improving the material's performance, particularly by accelerating its CO2 absorption process. The broader vision is to deploy COF 999 in industries where CO2 emissions are high, trapping the gas before it escapes into the atmosphere. This approach would be more cost-effective and practical than trying to remove CO2 that has already dispersed into the atmosphere. COF 999 represents a proactive step in tackling the global climate crisis. COF 999 is more than a scientific breakthrough, it is a potential lifeline for the planet. By combining cutting-edge innovation with practicality, this material offers a scalable solution to reduce greenhouse gas levels. The fight against climate change requires bold ideas and decisive action. With COF 999, we may finally have a tool capable of turning the tide in humanity's battle to protect the Earth.